Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the ShockFlo Smart Vehicular Inflatable Pump. It's a fast inflation, smart touchscreen, lithium battery, DC 12 volt is possible too, and automatic stop mode. This tire inflator is portable. It's an air compressor for car tires. It is cordless with 150 psi. It's a car air pump with dual power supply. Because we have a rechargeable battery built in and a 12 volt DC option with digital pressure gauge. Unlike those air inflators with only 12 volt DC power, the ShockFlo portable air compressor comes with two different power options: 12 volt DC and a 4500 milliampere hour lithium ion battery. And this, I think, is a killer application here. Really cool, because you have both. Out of the best from both you can choose. This is an easier and more conveniently way to inflate all tires and inflatables at home and outdoors as you like. It can use for all family cars and SUVs. But not for trucks, I think, because a truck system comes with 24 volt and a truck has so much inflatable power, so high pressure, maybe it works, you can check it. Fast inflation and advanced accuracy. The ShockFlo mini tire pump powerful motor can provide 150 psi pressure, and it provides 35 liters per minute. This is a 1.25 CFM of airflow. It can inflate the 195/65/R16 car tires from 0 to 35 psi within 5 minutes. Or it can inflate the road bike tire from 0 to 45 psi within 20 seconds. Professionally calibrated to always return a reading within 0.5 psi of the pressure of our tires. And we have tire pressure detection and smart control. The ShockFlo electric tire pump can measure the tire pressure when inserted into the air tire, of course. The hose. The air compressor automatically shut off when the preset pressure value is reached. There is no need to worry about overinflating. It also has 4 levels of PSI, BR, this is bar, kPa, and kilogram to square centimeters to choose from. If, for example, you have an emergency situation, and then you have a flat tire there in case of emergency situation. The best thing is then to solve that problem, use that mobile air pump easily. And we have a car and SUV mode with one button preset. Quiet, easy to use. And to solve the battery life and anxiety. The small portable air compressor built in a large 4500 milliampere hour battery. This can inflate a big tire from 0 to 35 in around about 4 minutes. That's okay after full charge. It completely deals with daily needs or emergency situations. We have 3 nozzles included. Perfect for inflating cars, motorcycles, bicycles, balls, and other inflatable devices. And the design is really smart. It has an LED halo on top of it. I like it very much. And there are a touch screen you can choose the pressure, then go to it and push the play button to inflate your tires. The job is fast done and accuracy is really nice. We have a compact size, great power device, cordless, and if you like, corded working mode. We have it for cars and SUVs with only one button preset. And we have high sensitivity light emitted diode touch control panel. 1 minute from 25 psi to 35. Provide the airflow of 35 liters per minute and inflate a big tire in only 25 up to 35 psi in only 1 minute. That's fast, that's good. 1 minute, you're back on the road. Oh yeah. It increases or low tire pressure increase the fuel consumption. High tire pressure can make a tire burst. And a low tire pressure, the tire wear is intensified, reducing the service life. And a high tire pressure can make the burst drive more bumpy. A low tire pressure can, for example, the tire side slip is easy to happen, even leading to roll over. And a high tire pressure comes for a poor grip, braking distance increased. So check your tire pressure once a month, and it is easy with such a device here. And we have dual power supply. If the battery pack should run down while traveling, we do not worry about it. That here provides a 12-volt car power adapter that can be used as an alternate power source. We're setting it automatically stop function. We preset the value we want, and the air compressor will automatically shut off when the pressure is reached. So we don't have to worry about overinflating or low tire pressure anymore. The accuracy of the indicated pressure is plus minus 0.5 psi. Includes a set of adapter nozzles to inflate not only the car, motorcycle or bicycle tire, but you can also make it sport balls, airbags and swimming rings, for example. And we have really awesome portable design. The portable tire pressure compressor here takes up very little space, which allows us to keep it in our car, where it is most likely may be needed, of course. It's really easy. We turn on the power switch on the back of the device. Then we connect the tire and the device with the air pipe. First, connect the device, then connect the tire. Then we press in car or SUV mode to quickly set the target air pressure, or we press the triangle which looks up or down to set the air pressure by manually way of ourselves. Then we press the start button. It will stop automatically when the target air pressure is charged, or we can make a break by using the same button again to have a T break, for example, or something else. When the indicator shows on one green light, that means low power, we can connect the car cigarette lighter power line to keep it still working. For example, an ordinary tire of a car, 32 up to 36 psi. A reinforced tire, 38 up to 46 psi. Everything is possible with that machine here. Bicycle, 12, 14 and 16 inches bicycle tire, 30 up to 50 psi. 20, 22, 24 inches bicycle tires, 40 up to 50 psi. And 26, 27.5, 29 inches mountain bike tires needs 45 up to 65. 700 the road bike open tire, 100 up to 130 psi, and 700C road bike tubes with 120 to 145 psi. All is possible with that device here. Motorcycles, electric motorcycle tires, for example, 26 up to 40 psi. And let's go to the basketball. The basketball needs 7 up to 9 psi, a football 8 up to 16, a volleyball 4 to 5, and a rugby 12 to 14 psi. Of course, the recommended inflation pressures for reference only, okay? So we should look what our car or our device or our tube or our ball needs especially, okay? But with that device here, it is possible to reach nearly all needs in tire inflation. This is the ShockFlo tire inflator. It's a portable air compressor for car tires and more, up to 150 psi pressure. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.